doing?
Hey, I've been waiting for years to get one of these. It's a heavy-duty 14-inch metal cutting chop saw from Evolution Saws, and I really wanted one, so you know what? I'm doing it. Wow, that Evolution, boy, when they send something, they send it quick. Look at this, here it is. Wow, my Evolution heavy-duty 14-inch metal cutting chop saw with stamped steel base. Just what I always wanted. Let me see what this is like in here. I'm just gonna open this up. The saw. Look at that. Wow. Boy, they said it was heavy duty. I'm gonna need something to work on. I can't use it on the floor. Wow, Evolution sent that too. Look at the stand I ordered. This is the stand that goes straight with that saw. I'm gonna have to see what this looks like. It's time to see how this thing really works and how it cuts. First, some of the safety features. I really like their safety grip. There's a slide lever for your handle. But then the guard for this blade, it's firm, yet it still moves. And it goes all the way up for your deep cuts. I mean, we're talking safety. They've got a clear plastic chip guard facing backward. Anything could fly back up. Remember to wear your safety glasses. The base is so solid. The sturdiness of this saw is not going to vibrate off the ground. But the quick release for adjusting and getting work in, we can go like that, move it down, and then we can just get in here and tighten it up. I'm going to try the V-block attachment so that I can run angle iron, square tube, square stock, round stock. I'm going to try my first cut on this saw using what your standard square tube steel, mild steel. I've adjusted already. It's got these ears that come out to hold your work level. Super sturdy.